What do you think? Is it yummy? Are you eating some Swiss chard? Your very first food? Okay, now put it in your mouth. I'm not so sure about that part of it, huh? You want Mama to help? Here, put it in.
Hey, that's what I did when I first had Swiss chard, Pete.
But you like playing with it? That's okay. No, I'll let you do it.
I wonder if the camera's sort of messing.
Pay attention to it.
So are we just gonna use Swiss chard this week, or?